This year, let's do something different. Let's do a vision board together with women around the world. 500, 1,000, 2,000 women all at the same time drawing a picture of their future. We want to break the Guinness World Record. And so we want you to come and join us to draw a picture of your future so that you can achieve your goals faster.
You act on it. You call up that friend you know who started her own business. You ask her, how'd you do it? You go to your boss and you ask him for a raise. And you become that one person out of 10 to make change happen.
You'll get a template from me, and then you gather all your pens and paper and everything you need around you. You make some space for 1 hour. You're gonna draw that picture of the things you long for. And then you're gonna have a whole community of people to help support you and cheer you on. And that's how you achieve your goals. It's all about community and having fun, envisioning the future that you long for. Your imagination and playfulness is the key to you moving and accelerating yourself to success. So join us. I can't wait to see you there. Let's do this.